Hey guys, you're Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the xFyro xS2 wireless earbuds that I actually received over a month ago so I can try them out and make a video for you guys. Keep in mind, I've been using these earbuds for over a month ago. I haven't been able to make a video because I've been busy doing videos for other stuff like video games and other products. But now I decided to go ahead and share a video with you guys since I've been actually using them for a long time already. They go for around $125 right now, but there's also going to be a discount code, a 10% discount code in my description. You just use the code MarkTheGeek and you'll be able to get a 10% discount code, which is going to drop the price for around $112. Just like every other product, like you guys know, I always like to put them back in the box. That way you can have an idea what to expect when you receive them through the mail. So first of all, over here on the front, you have the earbuds with the power bank. And over here you got some descriptions. I can't see it because of the freaking label there, but let's go ahead and take this out of here. And here you got the power bank with the earbuds in it, and in the inside you're gonna have some instruction manuals here, right? Instruction manuals, and you're gonna have some free earbud tips, which is small and large. I think the ones that I have here are medium, and you're also gonna have a charging micro USB cable as well. That's basically what you're gonna get in the box. Now let's go and show you guys this device right here, which of course, like you see, is like a cylindrical shape. It's made out of polished aluminum, and like you see right here, is already turned on, and that's because I actually took this out and put it back in because it was filled of dust, because I've been barely using one side only. Since I use these headphones, or most of my headphones, for listening like podcasts, and a lot of times I'm like driving or at the office, I only use one earbud. So that's the reason one of them had a lot of dust. Over here, like you see, it says out and the power button right there, the power symbol right there, and over here it says in. Here where it says in, when I open it up, this right here is going to be your charging port for this power bank right here. This power bank right here has an 850 milliamp hour battery, which is going to give you enough power for 20 to 30 hours of charge on this device number only. Each earbud is actually going to give you over 2 hours of battery life for each earbuds. And the cool thing about this is that all you got to do is put the earbuds back in, and they just gonna go ahead and start charging. They are connected via magnetic, so when you go like that, you'll see there, they automatically go in, which is really cool. And they also start charging as well. If they don't start right away, just press this power button right there, because sometimes they're not gonna charge right away. All you gotta do is press the button right there and they will start charging right away. So you see that it's red because it's not fully charged, and this one is red as well. And that's it. But the other cool feature about this device is that if I open this part right here, which it says out, it has a full-size USB port. So what can I do with this port? That's the reason I got the cell phone there, is I can connect a USB cable here, right? Let's go and connect this right here. There you go. I could connect that right there, and I could go ahead and use this to charge my Galaxy Note 8. There you go. Like you see there, it started charging my phone. There you go. So that's the cool thing about these earbuds, that you can actually use them to charge your phone or any other electronic device that actually can be charged via USB port. That's it. And like I said, the battery life of this is around 850 milliamp hour battery. The other major feature about these earbuds is that they are actually dust and waterproof, IP67. So if you want to go swimming with earbuds or take a shower with earbuds, these will be able to do that. You will be able to do that with these. Also, what's cool about this is that when you're using one of the headphones, you can actually answer and also hang up when it comes to phone calls. They do have microphones, like you see there, there's little holes with microphone. Look at that, the light is blue already. That means that these are actually charged. Yes, they have microphones. You can make phone calls. They do sound pretty damn good. Of course, in the video, it's kind of hard to share with you guys the quality of the sound, but I have to say the sound quality is really good. And mostly I use these earbuds to listen to some music, but most of the time I'm listening to podcasts, which is like audio talking only, and it sounds really damn good. When it comes to bass, they're not very high in bass. For me, they're very low in bass compared to other earbuds that I've listened to them before. When it comes to music, right, you can only tap on them to pause or tap on them to play again, or double tap to actually skip the music. That's the only thing you could do with these. You cannot like up the volume and down the volume. No, you cannot do that. And of course, the way that they connect to each other is very, very easily. First of all, you just pair one of them, which I believe it's only the left one. It's the one that I use the most. You just pair these left one right to your phone, and when you turn on these and put them in pairing mode, they actually connect to each other. And once you do that once, you don't have to bother with them anymore when it comes to pairing. So when you turn these on, they will automatically link to your phone, and when you turn these on, they will link to the other earbuds. That's it. If you turn these on and they're not actually paired to your phone, they will just stay silent, and you will not hear absolutely anything. You don't have to pair like each earbud to your phone like I've seen with other earbuds that I've used before. Of course, the other cool thing is that each earbud is gonna last you over 2 hours. That's how long it lasts for me. And I gotta say, when you're using this power bank to just charge your earbuds, this is gonna last you forever, because I've been going like over a month without charging this, and I'm still getting battery life to charge my earbuds. So that's what other convenience thing about this device. Of course, it's small, it easily fits in your pocket, which is really cool. And if I would have to complain about these earbuds for over a month, the only complaint I would have to say is that for me, these earbuds, the plastic part of it actually feels really cheap. You know, for me, they don't feel too much rubbery. Like I've seen other earbuds before, just the tip alone. That's the only complaint I would have to say. They also come with replacements, so if you need to change the size of them, you can also do that. But for me, I just don't like the way these earbuds actually feel. For me, they don't feel like thick enough. But other than that, they are really good. They sound really nice. And of course, the fact that you have the power bank that you can use in emergency to charge another device, that's another convenience things. And of course, for the price, I don't think is that bad. I know there's a lot of competition out there in the market when it comes to wireless earbuds now, but these are actually pretty damn good. They fit in your pocket, they fit anywhere. If you need to charge some other device or somebody else's phone, you could use this as well to charge them. Of course, it's not going to charge fast because this is small and it's only 850 milliamp hour battery, but you know, it'll give you some power for, you know, turning on the device or something like that. So guys, that's it for this video. There's not much I can share with you guys. Just the fact that they do sound good. You're gonna have to take my word for it. Keep in mind, if you buy them and you don't like them, I believe there is a warranty for them. And like I said, they go for around $125. They also come in different colors. They have a very cool red one, which looks really awesome. There's going to be a 10% discount code in my description, Mark the Geek. And if you're interested, just apply that code and you're going to get a 10% discount. So it's going to drop the price to $112, which honestly, in my opinion, if you try these, I don't think you're going to be disappointed because the sound is really good. It's not very high in bass. So if you're one of those that hate earbuds that gives you too much bass, these are not going to give you too much bass. So guys, that's it for this video. I just want to share my opinion about these earbuds, which like I said, I've been using for over a month already, and I've been liking them. Mostly I've been using only one side because most of the times I'm driving or I'm at the office and I don't want to have, you know, both sides of my ear plugged in. So I just use one of them, and the battery life has been lasting me for a long time, and I believe that's one of the reasons why this has been lasting me over a month, because I'm not actually charging both earbuds at the same time. But the cool thing is that if I want to go stereo, all I have to do is turn this one on and they will automatically both connect to at the same time. And that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I will gladly answer them. But I'll leave links in my descriptions. If you're interested in getting them, you can see it from there. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.